I think that anybody to be at the top of the game, they have to be keeping on working. There is no question of taking a pause. If you have to be in a position like this, you have to be thinking. There may be difference in the physical work that you do, but the thinking, planning and the strategizing, it's very important that you spend quality time for that, and you also have that contact with your people, because for us it is in many places in the world, it is not just one hospital or one institution. So it's very important that we keep that contact with them. So we have this arrangement where there is a video conferencing which happens with all our leaders sitting in different places. So that helps in that keeping that contact and spreading whatever is that we want to do. So the one mantra that I can prescribe is that it is 99% perspiration and it is only 1% inspiration. So that I think is the most important thing for anybody for that matter, and especially for somebody in healthcare. Unfortunately, people in healthcare don't take care of their health. But I personally, at least in the last 15-20 years, have been careful by way of doing. In the morning, I have a ritual of doing my own exercise, meditation, and I am quite careful about my food habits and all. So it's very, very important that you have to be taking care of the machine which is there to run, otherwise you are not going to perform. So the one thing which keeps me motivated is the feeling of accomplishment when you do something. For example, when you do a medical college and when the first batch of students come out and they become somebody who you are ambassadors going around the world, that gives me a feeling of accomplishment. In this hospital, for example, in Aster City, when people from various parts of the world come here, experience and tell me that this is one among the best hospitals in the, not only in the country, in the world, I feel accomplished. So there are a lot of situations where I get the accomplishment as a doctor as well as a businessman, because through my investment of time and resources, I have been able to build something which is helping people and feeling me accomplished. So the message is very, very simple. You have to work hard if you have to be successful. There is no way in which you could reach heights that you aspire sitting quiet. So be prepared for toiling, and if you toil, the fruits of that toil will be very, very rewarding. So my advice to the millennials is that focus on working hard and also use technology, because a new thing which has come in is the technology, which people like us were not that much exposed, but the millennials should be focusing on technology along with hard work.